Kindle book number 1. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, and one other thing we did today was some feelings, okay? So the first one is I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. I'm sad. I'm sad. Okay. Okay. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Okay, so happy, sad, sleepy. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Okay. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Okay, that's better. Okay. Bring up thirsty. Okay, I know. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. Okay. All right. Very good job today. Okay, very good. So, we're also going to have a look at some actions today, okay? So, everyone at home, follow me. Ready? Everybody stand up. Okay, ready? Sit down. Stand up. Jump. Hop. Okay, once more, ready? Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Jump. Jump. Hop. Hop. Okay, very good job. Okay, so we're going to start with some numbers today. Okay, so are you ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright, so everyone get down. Hands over your head. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What is it? What is it? It's a bird. It's a bird. What is it? What is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. What is it? What is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. What is it? What is it? It's a fish. It's a fish. What is it? What is it? It's a frog. It's a frog. Good job. Now it's your turn. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Okay, sorry, before we finish, I thought we'd play rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3, okay? This time, if I win, Masa, if Masa wins, okay, Masa wins, you have to say, oh, I lost, okay? Oh, I lost, okay? But, if Masa loses, I say, I lost, okay? You have to say, I win, okay? I win, okay. And then if it's rock and rock, okay, we have to say, it's a draw, okay? It's a draw, okay? Alright, so we're going to play rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, very good. See you! Live.